Hello, it's Sabia from Oldham Volkswagen Van Centre, and here we have some fantastic approved used stock. This is the Volkswagen Transporter Highline 2.0 TDI 150 PS in the stylish Ascot grey finish. This van is currently available and there are flexible finance packages, so to get yourself a tailored finance quote or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 667 8330. We'll be more than happy to provide more information on the vehicle. This video tour will host a 360 walk around alongside a second part segment. Now, as you can see, the stunning chrome Volkswagen badge is sitting proudly at the centre there amongst the front grilles, and the headlights pair really well with the silver alloy wheels, which complements the exterior finish very well while offering a very stylish look to the van. And the power folding wing mirrors do fold in when locked to provide extra safety to the vehicle, ensuring to minimise the risk of damaging them in any way. It's great for places like shopping centres where parking can be extremely tight. Following on, you can see the Ascot grey finish really does complement well with the alloy wheels. And now towards the back of the van, you'll notice the chrome Volkswagen badging, and we also do have the parking sensors at the bottom there, along with our rear view cam, offering you that support whenever you need them. And now, as we access the boot directly, you'll notice the fantastic and spacious interior, and we also do have the lashing rings across the surface of the floor, and you'll benefit from the lighting on the ceiling for that added visibility. Also, these barn doors will open up very wide to allow you to pack up to a loading bay and to maximise your loading space. This stunning van is available at Oldham Volkswagen Van Centre, so please don't hesitate to come down and have a look yourself at our dealership. And now, as we access the front of the van directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed van filled with fantastic features, starting off with the driver's seat here, which is fitted with an armrest, offering you and your front passengers that relaxing driving experience. Around you can see more in detail of the driver's cockpit with plenty of interesting features that we will touch on later. So thank you for watching the first part of the video tour of this approved used Transporter Highline that's currently available at Oldham Volkswagen Van Centre. If you'd like to stick around, we will be having a closer look at some of the features and functions, so without further ado, let's take a look inside. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, offering that comfortable driving experience, and we also do have our automatic headlights there, ensuring they're always under their correct times, alongside the window controls on the driver's door handle, all easily accessible on the right hand side there. And above the steering wheel, we do have a cup holder and plenty of storage space to fit all your necessities, especially during the winter days. You can always store your gloves and hats away, as well as having a hot brew right near you. Now, once this fantastic van comes to life, we can now gain access to the dashboard display, where we can view key information here like our mileage whilst we're on the move, and we also do have our assist systems with functions like the adaptive cruise control to stay safe at a consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring that confidence and comfort throughout your journey. Over to the infotainment screen, we have a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Now heading into our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and our MirrorLink, allowing us to access driver-safe applications, including Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps navigation. Now, we all love having a fun experience while driving, and the DAB radio keeps you entertained while you're on the move, as you have a wide range of stations to choose from to keep you busy while driving on those long distances. Now, you also have the ability to make hands-free calls via Bluetooth, offering you safety and full attention to your surroundings, as it's never a good idea to take calls while on the move, and this way you'll have a more safer approach to when taking those calls. This stunning van also does come with your Park Pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the front and rear sensors, along with the rear view cam, ensure safety, especially when maneuvering out those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be really tight. Over to our climate controls, you'll notice we have many different options available here for you and your front passengers to enjoy. We do have our front heated seats with 3 different levels of heating to choose from, offering you that cosy driving experience. Towards the right, we have our heated windscreen, and towards the left there, we have our parking sensors and our automatic start-stop function. And just below that, we have our USB-C type ports and our cup holders. And to finally finish this video off, we have our 7-speed DSG right in the centre there. So once again, thank you for watching. This has been the stunning approved used Transporter Highline that's currently available at Oldham Volkswagen Fan Centre. If you'd like to come down, have a look at the van yourself or get yourself a tailored finance quote, please get in touch on 0161 667 8330. We'll be more than happy to provide more information on the vehicle.